Life can be super hectic and busy. However, it's important for us to slow it down. This slow flow practice is the perfect way to bring it down a notch and relax. Not only is this practice perfect for beginners, but for anyone that needs to just simply pause and let go. We're going to begin in downward facing dog. Make your way onto the mat, and let's first come into our hands and knees, finding our alignment. Bringing your wrists and shoulders under each other, spreading the fingers wide, curl the toes under now, and slowly begin to straighten your legs. So if you're new to the practice of yoga, you may have a slight bend in your knees, and that's totally okay. Relax your neck and allow the head to hang heavy so your eyes are gazing back. If it feels comfortable, straighten your legs a little more and don't even stress out about pressing the heels all the way to the floor. They do not have to touch. Now, rise onto the balls of your feet. Exhale, press the heels down. Draw your hips back. Inhale, rise onto the balls of your feet. Exhale, press your heels down. Take another moment here and just check out your feet. Make sure that the inner arches are parallel. Find some stillness, knees soft or completely straight. One more breath. And then gently lower your knees back to the mat. Now on this one, you want to make sure that your knees and hips are in the same line, wrist and shoulders are in the same line. Your knees are about hip bone distance apart. Tops of the feet can rest on the mat, and we're just going to manipulate the spine a little bit, finding a little spinal flexion. So cat and cow pose. You're going to drop the belly towards the floor, lift the chest and even your chin as the hips flare up. As you exhale, round the back, belly comes into your spine, pelvis comes forward as your chin comes into your chest. Cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest, chin lifts, cow pose. Exhale, slowly round the back, chin to chest. Press the earth away, keep the arms strong, spread the fingers wide. One more like that. Belly drops towards the earth, the chest lifts, hips flare out, and then exhale. Slowly begin to round the back, creating space right across your shoulder blades. Make your way back into a neutral position, breathing in. Shoulders are right there over your wrist. Curl the toes under and straighten your legs once again for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Bring your way out into plank pose. Shoulders come over your wrist, and then immediately lower your knees, your belly and chest to the floor, elbows bend. Press into the tops of your feet, draw the elbows in towards your rib cage. Gaze slightly past the front of your mat, the back of the neck is long, and then lift your chest up just a little for baby cobra pose. One more breath to hold here, shoulders back. Press into your palms, make your way onto your hands and knees, curl the toes under, and straighten your legs for down dog. We're not going to stay in down dog. We're going to slowly begin to walk forward, and you can bend your knees as you make your way to the top of the mat. Feet are about hip bone distance apart, knees are soft, and the arms are just simply hanging over like a rag doll. And it doesn't matter if the hands are touching the floor. I just want you to hang over, release any tension in your lower back. One more breath, maybe shake your head. You can even wiggle those shoulders and arms, just letting it all go. And then inhale, lift up halfway, bring your hands to your shins, crown of your head forward. Draw the belly in, knees may be soft. Hands come to your hips, draw the elbows back, and come all the way up to stand. Find your way in mountain pose. Arms release alongside your body and keep your feet about hip bone distance apart. Toes are pointing directly forward. We're going to keep our feet here. As you bend your knees, draw your hips back. Sweep the arms high over your head for chair pose. Feel your weight draw back, belly in towards your spine as your tailbone and sits bones go towards the earth. The toes may even lift up a little.
It's not about going super deep in this pose, but just feeling that engagement of your quads. One more breath. Straighten your legs, lift your chest. Arms stay over your head, arch back, belly to spine. And then exhale, hinge from your hips, fold forward. Go as deep as you can in your forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Hands come to your shins, crown of the head comes forward. Soften those knees again, fingertips to the mat, and step your left foot all the way behind you as far as you can. Turn your left toes out so it faces the side of your mat. Press down through your right foot, lift your chest and fly your arms open so we come into Warrior Two pose. Extend your fingers out in line with your shoulders, bend deep into your right knee and make sure that right thigh is slightly outwardly rotating as your right knee tracks in line with your right middle toe. Press down through the outer edge of your left foot. Maintain this stance and transition into a side angle with the right forearm resting gently on your right thigh. So don't sag into that right shoulder. Lift and open your chest. Sweep your left arm over your head with the palm facing down and your left shoulder stays in the shoulder socket. Feel the left rib cage drop back. 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale. Exhale. Watch your right knee, don't let it creep in. 1 more breath. Slowly rise back up, nice and strong, Warrior Two. Take another deep breath and then lower both hands to the front of your mat. Spin onto the ball of your left foot and step your left foot forward. Breathe in, lift up halfway, hands to your shins. Chest extends all the way to the front of your mat. And then exhale, fold back over your legs. Take another deep breath in, soften the knees, and step your right foot all the way behind you. Spin those right toes to the side of your mat, press into your feet, and inhale, rise up, Warrior Two. Arms in line with your shoulders reach through your fingertips, and make sure you're grounding down through your feet. Left knee is open in line with your left middle toe, belly's drawing in, tailbones releasing down as your shoulders soften away from your ears. 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1 more breath. Lower your left forearm to the thigh, side angle pose, and then sweep your right arm over your head with the palm facing down. Now watch that right shoulder. Keep it in the shoulder socket. Draw your belly in, feel your right rib cage draw back, and the center of your chest lift up to the sky. Take 2 more breaths. Bend into your left leg. Deep inhale. Exhale. Last breath. On the inhale, press into your feet. Inhale, come back into your Warrior Two, arms wide. Pause here for a full inhalation and exhalation. Sink into your left leg. And then this time, lower your hands to frame your front foot. Step back into downward facing dog. Slowly drift out into your plank pose. Shoulders come over your wrists, gaze forward. Knees bend, lower them to the mat. Lower your belly and chest to the earth. Point the toes behind you, press into the tops of your feet. Come into your baby cobra once again. Or if it feels good, lift up a little bit higher, bringing your belly and chest off the mat. Elbows stay hugging in towards your body. Send your chin parallel to the earth. And then exhale, draw your hips back. Come into your child's pose. Relax your arms. And the hips may not go all the way to your heels, and that's okay. Lower your forehead to the floor. Give yourself time to ease out of our flow. Start to slow things down a little bit. 1 more breath. And then begin to lift up. Make your way onto your tush. Swing your legs forward. Bend your knees, place the soles of the feet on the floor. Gently recline onto your back. With your knees bent, you're going to draw your heels in towards your body, and your fingertips should almost graze the backs of your heels. Arms stay long. Gaze towards the ceiling.
And then check in with your feet. Make sure your inner arches are parallel. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Press your belly in towards your spine and your spine towards the earth. Root down through your feet. Inhale, begin to lift your pelvis up. Keep your arms straight. Draw your belly in. Feel your chest rise. Keep your neck and head in line with the rest of your spine. One more breath, all 10 toes on the mat. And then gently lower your upper back, middle back, lower back, and hips to the floor. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. One more deep breath in and exhale. So we're going to make our way into one more bridge pose. Arms stay long. Press into your feet. Inhale. Lift your pelvis up. Feel your chest rise. Now, as we hold this one, you have the option. You can slide your hands underneath your body, interlacing your fingers, and then draw your shoulders and shoulder blades gently together. Press into the pinky side of your hand. Lift your pelvis a little bit higher. Keep your feet rooted into the mat. 2 more breaths. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1 more breath. If your arms are underneath your body, unravel your hands. Slowly lower your upper back, middle back, lower back, and hips to the mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale. First, let's draw the knees in towards the chest. Take your hands around your shins and just give yourself a little hug here. If it feels good, you can make little circles with your knees. Rock a little bit from right to left. Do whatever you need to do. Just soothe that lower back. 1 more breath. And then release your legs. Let them fall to the floor. Allow your feet to splay out to the side. Turn your palms to face up so the backs of your hands are resting on the mat or the floor. Breathe in. Exhale out of your mouth. Let it all go. Relax the shoulders. And we take our final pose. In the practice of yoga, the Sanskrit word is shavasana, and it's just simply our final relaxation. The cool part about this posture is you can actually take it anytime you want. So just simply close your eyes, relax the tongue in your mouth, let it all slow down as you surrender to the earth. You can stay here as long as you'd like, but when you are ready, start to wiggle your fingers and toes a bit. Take your knees, bend them, place the soles of your feet on the floor, and then gently roll over to one side. Use your palm to assist you and lift up and make your way into a cross-leg position. Sit up tall. Place the palms on your knees facing down. Take a deep breath in and exhale. So remember, when things are going crazy, life is hectic, do it for yourself. Slow down. Jump into this practice anytime you need to, and I'll see you soon.